Hello, students. I hope you all are well. I, Ajit Singh from Kanas Bratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 3. So, dear student, this is a part 2 video of chapter 5 editing text in MS Word 2016. So, let's start with the new topic entering the text. While typing in Word document, you will observe the word wraps the text automatically. Wrapping the text means that if the text does not fit in the current line, then Word shifts it to the next line by default. Type the following text and observe the wrap effect. Learning is like food, like eating food. It is not how much you eat that matters. What counts is how much you digest. The beautiful things about the learning is that no one can take it away. Before proceeding further, let us have a quick glimpse of how to create, save, open, close, and print a document into our 2016, which we have already discussed in the previous class. First, click on the File tab. Then, second, select the New option. And third, click on the blank document. Click on the New button and on the Quick Access toolbar, or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus N. Saving a document. First, you have to click on the File tab. Then second, select the Save option. Then third, enter the file name. Then fourth, click on the Save button. So, shortcut for you, click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar, or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S. Closing a document. Select the close option after clicking on the control file tab. Press Ctrl plus W or Alt plus F4 to close the document. Opening a document. Click on the File tab and select the Open option. Enter the file name. After that, click on the Open button. Click on the Open button on the Quick Access toolbar, or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus O. Printing a document. First, you have to click on the File tab. Then second, select the Print option. Shortcut for you. Click on the Print Preview and Print button on the Quick Access toolbar, or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus P. So, dear students, in Word 2013, you can also create a new document, save it, close it, open an existing document, and print the document either by clicking on the Quick Access toolbar or by selecting the New, Save, Close, Open, and Print options from the File tab respectively. Next, selecting and editing the text. After typing the text in a document, you may want to make some changes in that. Making changes in a document is called editing. And before performing any action like copying, moving, finding and replacing, deleting, or formatting the text, we need to be select the text. The selected text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. To select a block of text, and we can use the selection area, and which is that the blank area in the left margin. We can select the text in a variety of ways. Selecting the text using mouse. Let us know how to select with the mouse. A word, just double click on the word. A sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. A paragraph, triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph. A large block of the text, click at the beginning of the text and press the shift key, and without releasing it, click at the end of the text. Entire document, just click anywhere in the selection area while holding down the control plus A key in the triple or a triple click in the selection area. Selecting text using keyboard. Let us know how to select the text with the keyboard. So one character to the left and shift plus left arrow. One character to the right, shift plus right arrow. One character to the line up, so shift plus up arrow. One line down and shift plus down. And beginning of the current line, shift plus home. End of the current line, shift plus and beginning of the current document, shift plus control plus home. End of the current document, shift plus control plus end. The above given method and shortcuts can be also used to select the text in a Word 2013. So thank you very much, student.